pepper to get the hot taste out of the pepper, to make the oil pepperish. So we're basically just going to fry this, and after that we're going to add some crayfish and some onions. I have some dry fish in here as well that I decided to microwave, just as a step to like soften it and also clean it. Next, we're going to add Next, we're going to add our crayfish. This fish has a distinct smell, so it's a choice of yours. You don't have to add it, but it does have a strong flavor, which some people like. So we just fry it for a little bit, like so. Next, we're going to add our Maggi, this right here. And then we're gonna add our spinach. We'll squeeze as much liquid out of it as possible so that when we fry it, we can really get the flavor from everything. And then I just added spinach. I'm just going to mix it and see if it tastes alright. And if I need to, I'm going to add one more Maggi to it. And I'm just going to stir it till I'm happy for about maybe a minute or two. So this is the end results of my fried spinach. So it did turn out pretty good. You can eat this together with gari, or you can eat it with fried plantains, and yeah, so enjoy.